Hey everyone, once again I came with another awesome video. If you watch complete video, then I will make your Claude Code totally free and unlimited. GMI Cloud mention unlimited MiniMax M3 and M2.7 for 14 days. If you try it by yourself, you can easily get access, but you can hit your rate limit. Watch this complete video. If you want, you can speed up and watch. Then I will show you the way that you can use it for totally free and unlimited. We are going to integrate it inside the Claude Code. If you want, I will also show you the way to use it inside Visual Studio Code as well. Before going forward, I will show you the benchmark of M3. This is the intelligence benchmark of M3 45 score and GPT 5.6 Luna score 52 and currently launched DeepSeek before Pro score 52 and Nemotron 3 Ultra score 38. Means it is one of the decent model, not that much intelligence as compared to Opus and Fable, but this is one of the best and intelligence model. And if you can see the speed, it is very quick as compared to other model. If you want to pay, its price is very low as well. After the benchmark, let's move to the integration part. You can get access of MiniMax M3 and M2.7 in GMI Cloud and OpenRouter. Okay, in OpenRouter it is currently available for free. At the same time, in GMI Cloud it is also available for free. You can see the pop-up here. Okay, but MiniMax M3 is an open weight model, and for the next 13-14 days it is totally available for free and unlimited, and it is compatible for text, image and video generation as well. But OpenRouter has a limitation. You can't use any model unlimitedly through the OpenRouter if you not add your payment method. My balance is 0, but still I will show you the way that you can use this model unlimitedly. Okay, then without wasting time, let's get the integration part. In title and thumbnail I'll mention I will integrate it inside the Claude Code. First step, you need to download the Claude Code. Claude Code download process is very easy. Go to the Claude official website and download it as a desktop version or CLI. After you have downloaded the CLI, verify is Claude is successfully downloaded in your system or not. If version will be reflected, then it confirms that it will successfully download and install. After that, we will move forward. I'll show you the one provider. Using this provider, we are going to connect any third-party API provider in our Claude Code, where in my previous video I will show you by modifying settings.json file, but most of you face error. That's why this is the easiest way that you can get. You can easily download it in your respective operating system. It will be available for Mac, Windows, Linux. Okay, only step, you need to download it. Download process is easy, and install it. After you have download and install, open it. First I will delete my provider and I will show you again by doing same process. Okay, in this is the default provider available here. OpenRouter is available here defaultly. You don't need to do anything. After you have opened it, first it look like this, then go to the settings section, then you can find the list of, then you can find this general section where we are going to complete our tasks here. And integration section, you can find MCP servers and Claude Code, and second you can find this model provider. First we are going to connect through the OpenRouter. Click on this OpenRouter section, then this menu will be open, where you only need to provide the API key here. Then how you can get your API key? Go to the openrouter.ai section, create your account if you are using it for the first time. This is my credit. I have not added my payment method. Then go to the API key section, create your API key if you are using it for the first time. Then create the new API key, give any name that you want and set the expiration date. Create it and didn't share your API key with anyone. I'm going to delete my API key before video is published, and you will never be able to see it again. That's why copy it from here and paste it, and that's it. Initially in model section you can find any model. Reload it, then no new model found. All available model are already added. I have pasted this snack bar, but you can see different snack bar. List of model will be available snack bar that you have found. After that, click on this Claude Code section. Okay, I have already added here. That's why it will be reflected. If you are using it for the first time, then no any model will be reflected here. Then expand it and select the model through the OpenRouter where we have added OpenRouter as a provider. Scroll down, or you can source the name of your provider here, MiniMax. Then you can find the list of model. Among the list of this MiniMax model, you can find two model as a free, which is MiniMax M3 and MiniMax M2.7. I'm going to add MiniMax M3 free is my large model and I'm going to save it here. Then minimize it, not close it. Okay, you have already installed Claude Code through the CLI or through the desktop. Then open your Claude Code. If you are using CLI, then type Claude and press enter. Then you can see this. Claude Code will be able to read, edit and execute file here. Do you want to trust? Yes, I'm going to trust it. Then you can see MiniMax M3 API uses billing. I'm going to test, does it work or not? Okay, slash models. No, this is not. This is the model that we have set it through the gen. That's why we have faced this error. I'm going to switch the model and I will try. Hi, this time it is working perfectly. Sure, it will respond in 3 seconds. How much fast it is. Here we have added through the one provider, which is OpenRouter, but OpenRouter has a limitation. You can't use any model unlimitedly through OpenRouter in a free plan. That's why I will show you the another way, which is the GMI Cloud, where we are going to add GMI provider as well, where OpenRouter has a daily limitation. Its daily limit will be reset. If you have faced any limit problem, then you can switch to this model from here. You don't need to do anything. Slash models, where we are going to integrate through this name. Then if you switch, perfect, you didn't need to do anything. Then first you need to create your account here, accept the terms and condition and create your account through any of this provider. I'm going to select Google as my provider. Continue. Then your authentication will be completed and you are landed it here. My balance is 0 and I have just created my account. You didn't need to do anything. First, create API key. Give any name. I'm going to give this free API key is my API key name. Create key, copy it. Again I'll mention, never share your API key with anyone and my API key will be deleted before video is published. I'm going to copy my API key and again I'm going to open this zen.ai. This time we are going to add custom provider. Then click on this model provider. First, provide the API key that we have created. Second things, you need to provide a provider name. You can provide any provider name, but I'm going to provide this, which is a GMI Cloud. GMI. Then you need a base URL. I'm going to use OpenAI compatible base URL. Then from where you can get your base URL, I will show you this way as well. Here, explore the model, then you can find the list of model, but most of these model are paid. Among these all the paid model, you can find some model for free. Search it here, MiniMax. Then at the top you can find these two model, MiniMax M3 and MiniMax M2.7 is a free model. I'm going to open it here. When I try it in Playground, I have faced the error. Every time I want to be honest with you, but when I try it in Claude Code, it is working perfectly. For OpenAI compatible base URL, I am going to copy the base URL from here until v1. Okay, keep in mind, just copy until v1 and provide this base URL here and create it. Until now, no any model will be reflected. Reload it. Then you can see the list of all models through this provider, but most of them are paid. Then again go to the Claude Code section. This time in the medium model, it will automatically selected because I have selected previously and remove this provider from here. That's why it will automatically selected. If you are using it for the first time, then it will not automatically selected. Click on it, then search for a provider name. What's your provider name? You can find all the provider name from here. GMI Cloud, GMI. You can see all the available model through this provider. Scroll down, then you can find this MiniMax AI M3 for free. Select it, small model. I'm going to select MiniMax M2.7 through the same provider. This is the GMI Cloud and I'm going to scroll down. This is the MiniMax AI M2.7. Here it will didn't mention free, but select it and save and enable. After that, I will show you the magic. Go to the Claude Code section. You can see I will show you everything in real time. Okay, here you can see MiniMax M3 free through the OpenRouter. Here this model will be used through the OpenRouter, and this two model that we have used through the GMI Cloud. Then again go to the Claude Code, type /model, press enter. Then you can find this three, which means my Claude Code is not refreshed. I am going to terminate. If you press Ctrl C twice, your Claude Code will be closed through the CLI. Then again I am going to open it, as I am going to toss this folder /model, press enter. Oh, it is still not saved. Why? Environment saved, but still here it will show the Nematron 3.5 lightning free. I will totally close my terminal and open it again. In some case it will take a little bit time to reflect this model. Claude Code. Yes, I'll toss this folder /model, press enter. You can see now it will be reflected here. First I will test it with MiniMax M3. I'm going to select it. What is WebSocket? You can see it is working perfectly. It will give me the detailed answer about WebSocket. Next, again I will switch to the another model, which is MiniMax M2.7. Yes, I'm going to switch it. What is API? It is also working perfectly. Next, I'm going to switch again. Switch model /model. This time I'm going to use MiniMax M3 through the OpenRouter. Yes, what is Flutter? Okay, it is working perfectly. This is the way that you can use MiniMax M3 inside your Claude Code. Now, if you want, I will show you the way that you can also use same thing inside your Visual Studio Code. If you want, you can open Claude Code inside your terminal in Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is the one way. Another, you can do the same process to the Claude Code for VS Code extension. I have installed this extension in my system. You can find this extension in VS Code Marketplace. Claude Code for VS Code, this is the official extension from Anthropic. You can use this extension to use Claude Code inside the Visual Studio Code. You can see, okay, through extension you can't use it in VS Code. It will show the default model. Okay, let's see inside terminal. I think it will be usable. You can see inside terminal you can easily use it. If you connect through the GNAI, then you can't use through the extension. But here is the another provider if you want to use through the extension, which is Cline or KiloCode. You can use any provider among them. First install it. You also need to create your account and sign in Cline. After that, you will navigate here. This is the default balance. It will provide 0.5 or something. I have used some paid model. That's why my balance will be reduced. If you are create your new account, you can get $0.5 is the initial balance. If you can use this model, then your balance will be reduced. If you use this free model, then this balance didn't hamper. Then go to the client uses billing to OpenAI compatible. Okay, source for OpenAI compatible. Here you need to provide your OpenAI compatible base URL. I'm going to copy OpenAI compatible base URL from here. Okay, and paste it here. Again, I need an API key. I'll go to the API key section. I'm going to create my another API key, new key. I'll create it and I'll copy it from here and I'll paste this API key in OpenAI compatible API key section. Okay, then here you need to provide the model ID which is a MiniMax AI MiniMax M3. This is the model ID. I am going to select high as a effort and I'm going to down it from, and let's check it. Does it work or not? It need to be okay here. You can see, hi, how can I help you today? This is the way that you can use MiniMax M3 and MiniMax M2.7 inside your Visual Studio Code, inside your Claude Code, inside your terminal. Whenever you want to use it totally free and unlimited. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding. Bye bye. We'll meet you in the next video.